If students have an existing AST agreement with a fixed end date of July and the AST is converted to a periodic tenancy on the 1st of May, how do I give 4 months notice to leave? Um, so this question, the fixed term date is irrelevant because it's after the 1st of May. So we can rule that out immediately. The fixed term date doesn't matter. How do I give 4 months notice to leave? Now, what you're probably talking about there is ground 4A, which is the student HMO ground for possession. We'll be touching a little bit on that and any other questions too. You need to give, in order, a pre-notice. So there is a pre-notice requirement for ground 4A, which is to say, telling the tenants that you are going to rely on ground 4A at some point. There is a 1 month window from the 1st of May to end of May to serve that pre-notice. And then the day after, you can then serve ground 4A, which is your 4 month notice period. And that's the thing that can only expire between June and September. Now, looking at the calendar here, if we're saying 3rd of May might be the earliest point at which you can serve this notice, then 3rd of September is going to be the last date at which you can serve this, which the notice can expire. Sorry, that'll be the earliest date at which it can expire. Which is already really encroaching on the next academic year. So it's not ideal, but it is all you can do in the circumstances. And I would be encouraging all notice you can serve ground 4A to do so, because this transitional year is going to be the hardest part of all of this. From next year, that pre-notice requirement you just do at the start of the tenancy, and then you give 4 months, at least 4 months notice at some point in the academic year. So we're not going to be as rushed as we are going to be on the first few days of May.